Hi, this lesson name is Introducing Yourself or Others and Asking Questions. Hello sir means Namaskaram andi. Hello means Namaskaram. To show respect, we add andi at the end of the sentence. So Namaskaramu plus andi becomes Namaskaram andi. Hello, who are you? Means Namaskaram, Meeru Yavaru. Here hello means Namaskaram, who means Yavaru, you means Meeru. Meeru is used for second person honorific singular and plural pronoun. I am a student means Nenu Vidyardhini. Here I means Nenu, student means Vidyardhini. But when you are talking about yourself in this context, you have to add ni suffix. For example, if you want to say I am a doctor, you have to say like this in Telugu, Nenu doctor ni. Similarly, you can say your position, then add ni suffix. For example, you can say Nenu teacher ni, Nenu advocate ni, Nenu engineer ni. Similarly, if you want to say your name also, you can add this suffix. For example, Nenu Praveen ni, Nenu Ramesh ni, Nenu Sweta ni. My name is Ramesh means na peru Ramesh. Here my means na, name means peru. His name is Mr. Mahesh means ఈయన పేరు మహేష్ గారు. Here his means ఇతని or you can also say ఈయన. Name means పేరు. Here Mr. indicates garu. His name is Arun means ayana peru Arun. Here his means ayana, atani or ayana. Name means peru. Her name is Rajani. Her name is Anita. Means ఈమె పేరు రజని, ఆమె పేరు అనిత. Here her means ఈమె or ఆమె. Name means పేరు. Whose name is Anita means ఎవరి పేరు అనిత. Here whose means ఎవరి, name means పేరు. My name sir means నా పేరండి. Here my means నా, name means పేరు. To show respect, we added andi at the end of the sentence. So నా పేరు plus andi becomes నా పేరండి. What is your name, sir? Means మీ పేరేమిటండి. Here what is your name means మీ పేరేమిటి. To show respect, we added andi at the end of the sentence. So మీ పేరేమిటి plus andi becomes మీ పేరేమిటండి. My name is Ganesh. His name is Ramesh. His name is Naresh. Means నా పేరు గణేష్, ఇతని పేరు రమేష్, అతని పేరు నరేష్. Here my means నా, name means పేరు, his means ఇతని or అతని. Whose name is Ramesh means ఎవరి పేరు Ramesh. Whose means evari. Name means peru. His name sir means itani perandi. His name means itani peru plus we added andi at the end of the sentence to show respect. So itani peru plus andi becomes itani perandi. Who are you sir means meerevarandi. Who are you means మీరు ఎవరు. మీరు ప్లస్ ఎవరు ప్లస్ అండి becomes మీరెవరండి. Hello Mr. Ramesh, please tell who am I means ఏమండి రమేష్ గారు చెప్పండి నేనెవరిని. Here hello means ఏమండి. Actually hello means namaskaram, but when you want to get someone's attention while giving respect, you can also say ఏమండి. It's like calling them. Here Mr. indicates garu. Actually Mr. Ramesh means Ramesh garu, but you're calling him, so you have to say like this, Ramesh garu. Ramesh garu. Notice the end sound garu. Please tell means cheppandi. Actually tell means cheppu. Please tell means cheppandi because we added andi after cheppu. So cheppu plus andi becomes cheppandi. Who am I means nenevarini. Who means evaru. I means nenu. When you say who am I, that means nenu evarini. While speaking you can mix these words. Nenu evarini becomes nenevarini. Your doctor means meeru doctor garu. Here we used garu to show respect. Who is he sir means అతనెవరండి. Here who means ఎవరు, he means అతడు. Here we don't take the meaning of sir, but we use andi at the end of the sentence to show respect. అతను plus ఎవరు plus andi becomes అతనెవరండి. Atanu is used for third person remote equal masculine singular pronoun. This is used to refer to people of equal status. It doesn't carry any respect or disrespect. Who are you means నువ్వెవరివి. Who means ఎవరు, you means నువ్వు. Here we add v suffix after ఎవరు. So నువ్వు plus ఎవరు plus v becomes నువ్వెవరివి. నువ్వు is used for non-honorific singular pronoun. This is used to refer to people with whom the speaker has a close or intimate relationship. What is that? Who is he means అదేమిటి, ఆయనెవరు. What means ఏమిటి, that means అది. అది plus ఏమిటి becomes అదేమిటి. Who is he means ఆయనెవరు. Here who means ఎవరు, he means ఆయన. But while speaking we mix these words. ఆయన plus ఎవరు becomes ఆయనెవరు? That is book. He is a doctor. Means అది పుస్తకం, ఆయన డాక్టర్ గారు. That means అది, book means పుస్తకం, he means ఆయన. After doctor we added garu to show respect. He means atanu or itanu. Atanu refers to remote person, itanu refers to proximate person. She means ame or ime. Ame refers to remote person, ime refers to proximate person. He is Mr. Arun. Means ayana Ravi garu. He is Ganesh. Means atanu Ganesh. She is Miss Anita. Means ame Anita garu. Here Miss indicates garu. To show respect to Anita, we say Anita garu. She is Indira. Means ame Indira. I am Arun. Means nenu Arun ni. Notice here we added ni suffix after the name. Similarly, if you want to say your name, you can say nenu, then your name, then add ni suffix. Or even when you are talking about your profession, you can add ni suffix. For example, nenu doctor ni. You are Ganesh. Means nuvu Ganesh vi. Here you means nuvu, and we add vi suffix after the name. Similarly, you have to add vi suffix after profession also, or a sentence something like this: you are a good man. That means nuvu manchi vadivi. If she is female, you can say nuvu manchi danivi. When you're talking about profession, you can say like this: nuvu doctor vi, nuvu engineer vi. I am Anita. Means nenu Anitani. Here I means nenu, Anita is a female name, ni is suffix. You are Sunita. It means nuvu Sunita vi. Here you means nuvu, Sunita is a female name, vi is suffix. Who am I? Means nenu evarini. I means nenu, who means evaru, and we add ni suffix. So nenu evaru plus ni becomes nenu evarini. Who are you? Means nuvu evarivi. Here who means evaru, you means nuvu. Nuvu plus evaru plus vi suffix becomes nuvu evarivi. We use nuvu for non-honorific singular, meeru for honorific singular and plural. Who is he? Means ayana evaru. Or you can also say atanu evaru. If you want to show respect, you can say ayana. And when you are talking about a person in equal status, you can use atanu. Who is she? Means ame evaru. Tell your name means నీ పేరు చెప్పు. Tell means చెప్పు, your means నీ, name means పేరు. We use నీ for non-honorific singular. Please tell your name means మీ పేరు చెప్పండి. Here please means దయచేసి, but it's not required to use దయచేసి always. But if you add andi word at the end of the sentence, that's enough. Tell means చెప్పు, your means మీ, name means పేరు. So మీ పేరు చెప్పు plus andi. చెప్పు plus andi becomes చెప్పండి. Andi is imperative plural honorific singular marker. It is added to a sentence when the speaker of the sentence wants to give respect to the listener. Hello means namaskaram or ఏమండి. This ఏమండి word used to draw the attention of the listener, and it is an epicene honorific address term used both in masculine and feminine genders. Hello Mr. Ramesh means ఏమండి రమేష్ గారు. Here hello means ఏమండి because we are calling Ramesh, so we can say ఏమండి Ramesh garu. Also generally when we are talking we say Ramesh garu, but when we are calling someone we say garu. So in a sentence we say ఏమండి Ramesh garu, that means hello Mr. Ramesh. Hello Miss Anita means ఏమండి అనిత గారు. Here we are calling Anita, so we say ఏమండి అనిత గారు. Hey Ramesh means ఏమయ్యా రమేష్. Notice the difference between ఏమండి and ఏమయ్యా. ఏమండి is honorific address term. ఏమయ్యా is non-honorific address term. We use this term in masculine gender. Who is Ramesh, sir? Means Ramesh ఎవర్andi. Here who means ఎవరు. Since we say sir, we added andi to show respect. So Ramesh ఎవరు plus andi becomes Ramesh ఎవర్andi. Who is Mr. Ramesh? Means Ramesh garu ఎవరు. Who is Mr. Ramesh, sir? Means Ramesh garu ఎవర్andi. Here Ramesh garu ఎవరు plus andi becomes Ramesh garu ఎవర్andi. Here garu is used to show respect to Ramesh. Andi is used to show respect to the listener. This is a book, sir. Means ఇది పుస్తకమండి. This means ఇది. Book means పుస్తకము. And we add andi to show respect. So పుస్తకము plus andi becomes పుస్తకమండి. What, sir? means ఏమిటండి. What means ఏమిటి, and andi is to show respect. So ఏమిటి plus andi becomes ఏమిటండి. Who sir means ఎవరండి. Similarly here ఎవరు plus andi becomes ఎవరండి.